Welcome back to Beautyistic. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever been on the hunt for a lipstick that delivers both the longevity of a stain and the soft, glowing finish of a balm? If that's the case, you're going to want to stick around for today's review of the Lasting Finish lipstick in Frosted Burgundy. This lipstick promises long-lasting wear with a natural, soft glow finish. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the formula. This lipstick is built on the idea of easy, seamless application with a unique blend of pure pigments and blur effect powders. The goal here is to highlight and complement your lips without feeling heavy or cakey. And honestly, I was curious to see if it would live up to the hype. When I first applied it, the texture was incredibly smooth and almost balm-like. It glided on easily, and right away, I noticed a radiant glow without the typical stickiness or dryness that some long-lasting formulas tend to leave behind. That's thanks to the inclusion of castor oil, which helps keep lips conditioned while adding a bit of shine. In terms of performance, this lipstick stayed on well throughout the day. While it wasn't completely transfer-proof, it definitely held up better than many other lipsticks I've tried. The color faded evenly and didn't leave me with that dreaded ring around the lips, which is always a win in my book. However, like any product, it's not perfect. The shade Frosted Burgundy, while beautiful, may not be ideal for everyone. If you prefer a more muted lip look, this might be a bit bold for you. Also, if you're looking for something more matte, this might not be the right fit, as the glow finish is quite prominent. On the flip side, one of the standout features of this lipstick is its versatility. It's buildable, so you can layer it for a more intense color, or keep it light for a more subtle look. This makes it a great option for various occasions, whether you're going for a simple day look or something more dramatic for the evening. Now, value for money. This lipstick is priced higher than your typical drugstore options, but the performance justifies the cost. You're getting a long-lasting, comfortable, and buildable formula that delivers on its claims. If you're someone who values a natural glow finish, with the added bonus of moisturizing ingredients, this might be worth the extra spend. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a similar feel but at a lower price point, you might want to consider some other balm-like lipsticks from brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which also offer smooth, glossy finishes with great pigment. They don't quite match up in terms of longevity, but for a more budget-friendly option, they're worth checking out. As for the packaging, it's sleek and feels solid. The lipstick itself has a good amount of weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, which I really appreciate. To wrap it up, the Lasting Finish lipstick Frosted Burgundy lives up to its promises of delivering a long-lasting, buildable, and comfortable formula with a beautiful soft glow finish. It's not completely matte, but if you love a radiant glow on your lips, this could be your new go-to. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.